This is Ben with the Tucson Future Classics here to show you stock number 25109. This is our 2019 Nissan Leaf S Plus. This is a one-owner vehicle with 68,000 miles. It's in pretty good condition. There's some minor scratches and dings here and there, which I'll show in this video. It's a little hard to tell in this video right now because it's cloudy, but this metallic blue on this Leaf is absolutely gorgeous. It just shimmers in the sunlight. Hopefully the clouds will clear up in a bit and I'll be able to show you. This front wheel doesn't have any curb rash. The rear one has a little bit on one of the spokes. There's no major damage on this side of the vehicle at all. Looks like there's just a minor ding on the rear quarter panel near the wheel arch. Might be a little hard to see. That's how minor it is. Tires have good tread all around. Carfax does note there is an instance of minor damage to this vehicle. It doesn't say where it was. My best guess, it was somewhere on this rear bumper because there are some scrapes. Right there. There's no cracks in the bumper and it fits just like it should from the factory. Side also presents pretty nicely. I don't see any major damage. This wheel has a very minor scuff on one of the spokes. Front one is all good. I forgot to show the front bumper. Just some baked on bug guts. Not really any rod chips. We'll step inside. This Leaf features a black cloth interior, which I believe all of these second-gen Leafs have, just a black interior. I'm not sure if any of the upper models got a leather interior or not. Pretty basic door panel. All the controls you would expect and need are there. This interior is in very good shape. The one owner seemed to take care of it. There's no tears or stains on these black seats. You do have your OEM floor mats here. Step inside here. On the gauge cluster at 95% battery in eco mode with the air conditioning off, it shows a range estimate of 201 miles. When it was fully charged, it showed about 210. Of course, actual range depends on a lot of factors, including your driving style. There's the odometer, 68,000 miles. There's a couple different menus you could scroll through in this gauge cluster. It's not super intuitive. Well, I'll scratch that. There's a lot more menus than I realized. Anyways, here on the steering wheel, you have your various controls for that center screen, media, and cruise control. With the flat bottom steering wheel, which is kind of cool. In the center, you have your infotainment system. Looks like the screen has seen some wear over time. That haziness, unfortunately, does not clean up. This infotainment works really well, though. It's easy to use. There's a lot of different options you could choose from. It does have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Your settings for air conditioning, which it is nice and cold. You have a USB port, auxiliary input, and a power outlet with a small cubby. Here's your button for eco mode and a switch to toggle one pedal driving, which is just awesome to use. I would recommend it. Your gear shifter, some cup holders, and a small cubby. Up here, you have your dome lights and a place to put your sunglasses. This rear view mirror is manually dimming. Go check out the back seat. Here we go, the sun is out, so you can see that beautiful blue paint. Pretty decent sized back seat. You could fit 3 people across if you needed to. Seats are also in good condition. The trunk in this Leaf is very spacious, and the load floor is very low. You could fit some tall items here, especially with it being a hatchback. And if you needed more space, you could fold these rear seats down. And I just want to point out there is a cover right here that's missing. Under the hood, you unfortunately do not have a frunk. This is where all the components for the EV system are housed. That noise is just because the air conditioning is running. If you're looking to get into a used electric vehicle at an affordable price, now is the time to act. The IRS is removing the used EV tax rebate on September 30th, and it's not going to come back. After that, you're going to pay more for your electric vehicles, and it'll be harder to find good deals such as this one. If you are interested in this car, want more pictures, or want to see our inventory, check out our website, TucsonFutureClassics.com. If you'd like to schedule a test drive, please call or text our dealership at 520-268-6244.